Now that SpendHub has organized your transactions and built your baseline, it's time to understand the patterns behind your spending. That's where Spend Analytics comes in. Start with the At a Glance panel. It highlights what's impacting your budget the most. Things like spend volatility, lifestyle creep, new spending, seasonality, and your 80/20 drivers, each with a simple takeaway and score. Click any insight to jump straight into the details. Here's one example: 80/20 drivers. It shows which few categories make up most of your spending. The takeaway is simple: you don't have to cut everything. If just two or three categories drive most of your expenses, you can focus your effort there and see results faster. That's what makes budgeting easier. Your rules and limits go where they'll actually move the needle.